Man, we in Prague, the capital city of Czech Republic. The city is gorgeous during the day and the night. And look, it's cheap. And there's so many things to do, dog. Plus, not so many black people are there. So I was feeling real special. I was feeling like a black unicorn. Yeah, look, Prague is a very beautiful city. And one of the most famous places in Prague is Prague Castle, the largest castle complex in the world. Let me show you how it is over there. Check all these steps, bruh. Check all that. Yeah. Yeah. There we go, people. I got the strawberry lime mix. Core blend. I needed this one. I needed it, people. This is what you call magnificent. Glorious. Look at this. Core blend. You all see this building behind me, right? Guess what? They used to throw lawbreakers out the window. Imagine flying from up there because you steal a banana or something, you know? You see this thing, people? What's your names?
I'm Sally.
Sally?
I'm Donald.
Okay, nice to meet you all, right? So, is this the first time you all have been to Czech Republic?
Yes.
Okay, and what would you say the experience is like as a tourist, first of all?
It's been okay. It's been okay. The people have been friendly.
Have you seen that many of, you know, us?
Oh, hell no. We were counting. We've been doing like a counting game.
I just counted you.
Yo, for real? How much is it?
Yeah, I've seen 4 now.
Today? Here?
No, 2 here. And then 2 near our hotel.
It took me about 3 days. And then yeah. It took me 3 days.
Yeah, no. We've been playing the counting. We were like, how many brand people can we spot?
Damn, that's true though. But nice to meet you all. My name is JJ. Boom.
Hold up. Pose.
I went into this building. I can't remember the name, but I wanted to get to the top so I could check the view. And bruh, I had to climb more than 800 steps. It was madness. It was like leg day times a million, bruh. And look, to be honest, the view was alright, but it wasn't worth 800 steps. Maybe 400, maybe 500. Maximum 501. And anyhow, but at least I got to meet another unicorn. What's your name, bro?
My name is Bird, man.
What?
My name is Bird from Turks and Caicos.
From Turks and Caicos?
Yes, sir.
What you doing out in Czech Republic, man?
Man, I'm just out here visiting, you know what I mean? Hey, look, it's Black Man Paradise here.
Black Man Paradise.
You know what's going on.
So it feels good to be like a unicorn out here.
It does, because you don't get to see a lot of black people out here. So like when you out here, like you stand out, you know what I mean? So it's like it's cool. It's cool.
Good.
And sometimes you get looked at, you know what I mean? You get looked at a lot, you know, especially me, you know, tall black man out here in Europe, you know, they look at you a lot, man. It's cool.
Which countries also give you a lot of love?
I've been to Budapest. They showed me a lot of love in Budapest. Germany, every Europeans in Germany.
Alright, nice meeting you, brother, man. Boom. Oh, we on the way down. A long way to go, folks. Oh, blend, boy. We're on the way down. Telling you how it feels to be black in Czech Republic. It feels amazing. I love being a unicorn. You know, you all know me. You all know how I move, dog. You know how I roll. Yeah, I love attention. Some people really love attention and they pretend they don't. I love attention, bro. Let's pause for a second. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you don't, I'll find out where you live, I will pop your tires, look, and I'll put sand in your gas tank. You ain't going nowhere, brother. Yeah, now back to the topic. We're gonna have some Czech food. We have to have Czech food. We have to. We are going to eat goulash. Understand that goulash is a very famous dish here. You know, let's eat goulash. Yeah, people, we want to get some goulash. Hello. What is in goulash? What comes in it?
Okay, so it's beef meat. There should be always some fat for the sauce. And you use the onions. Per 1 kg of the meat, you use 1 kg of the onions. And the tomato sauce. And a lot of spices.
Alright, man, we about to try this goulash. Put out there. Boom! People, this is like a house restaurant or something. Listen, I feel like I'm in somebody's living room right now. Now look at this place, people. Look at it. Look at this place, people. Let me show you. Skirt. It's like an actual house, people. Whoop. It's like a house. And there's me over here. Oof, starter for you, just like I was telling earlier. Just water. I'm a bit parched. Yeah. Listen. Nothing beats a good water. People, see the steam coming off of that? Oh. Listen, people, we about to eat goulash. We about to eat goulash. Let's try this thing first here. Yo. This gravy is crazy. I don't even know what this is, if it's bread or what. But this is amazing. My God have mercy. Alright, so I showed one of my friends the goulash, and he said that it looked nasty. Do y'all agree? Because I think it looks okay. But let me know in the comments below what you think. How does it look, and would you eat it too? Because look, trust me, it tastes real good. Anyhow, back to the video. I am a certified food critic. My reviews are to be trusted. 9 out of 10. It's amazing. Amazing. Goulash. Plate clean. Plate clean.
Master Chef Goulash.
This is the master chef. The master chef of the goulash. What's your name?
Paloma.
Paloma. Put out there. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Goulash is my favorite food in the world. It's like kids in a toy box. It's like, yo, it's like a doll. Yo. Yo. Sheesh. Protect and serve, man. Yo. This is fresh, bro. Check the oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Hold up. Pause.
Now look, listen people, when I tell you this view is sensational. Sensational. Listen people, the view here ain't no joke, you know. Prague is a beautiful city. I was supposed to go to Bulgaria for a month, but I just decided to cancel. It doesn't make much sense just going to one place for a whole month. Why not just go to like 4 or 5 places? You know, so I just found the cheapest places to stay possible. Some of them even $9 a night or $10 a night US, bro. Nice room and thing. You gotta share with people, but I don't really care about. Come on, bro. I built for hostels, bro. I don't care. I love the whole style of traveling and meeting people, being like the best of friends for a few days and then never seeing them again. That's the best thing in life. You know, that's just my style, bro. Is that a toxic trait? Is that a red flag, people? Let me know. Actually, no, I don't have red flags, bro. It's just all green here, bro. All green. Ain't nothing here but plantation vibes. Actually, I shouldn't say that. Yeah. Oof. What a view. I'll be back in Prague for sure.
Hold up. Pause.
People. What a splendid day. My belly full. Yo, that dog big as shit. Ow! Yo, that dog going high. Listen, people. Yo, ow! I love that because I used to do the howling at my Rottweiler. He died last year though. Me and him used to howl together and think that was my little brother. Long live my guy, man. Shout out Caesar, this for you. It is almost June and I have Christmas shop. People be shopping for Christmas in June out here, people. That's madness. Ooh. What do we have down here? It don't smell like Christmas though. Y'all believe in Santa? Miss, I'm practicing my Czech, right? Ye Santa skuteczny?
Sorry?
Ye Santa skuteczny?
No.
Oh, you see, my Czech is good though. It's good.
No, we have San Nicholas.
But how is my Czech?
We have Jesus child.
Bruh, what is this woman saying? Yeah, I had no clue. Whenever you are in a foreign country and you don't know what they're saying, just nod your head and say, yeah, yeah.
Europe, say hi.
It was a good day, real good day. I had a blast. I always tell y'all, remember to make the most of every single day. Because you never know when you're going to die. Life has only one promise, and that is death. Everybody is born and everybody dies. You never know when you're going to die, where you're going to die, how you're going to die, who you're going to die around. You never know, so just make the most of every single day. Make sure that when you die, you'll know you made the most of your time on earth, bruh. Yeah, so go and explore. Go do something interesting. Try some random food. Say hello to a stranger, you know. Go and buy a watermelon lime slushy, bruh. Go on an adventure, man. Anyhow, I spent quite a while in Europe, okay? It started off in Czech Republic. I went to a bunch of countries. So, look, just go check my channel and look at whatever is there, you know? Yeah, like videos from before this one and after this one. You know what I mean? And also, bruh, share this video with somebody. What?